Hello kids, today you will learn alphabet. Yellow, violet, blue, red, orange, pink, green. A. Say with me. A. A for apple. B. Say with me. B. B for banana. C. Say with me. C. C for car. D. Say with me. D. D for doll. E. Say with me. E. E for art. F. Say with me. F. F for flag. G. Say with me. G. G for girl. H. Say with me. H. H for horse. I. Say with me. I. I for ink. J. Say with me. J. J for jackfruit. K. Say with me. K. K for knife. L. Say with me. L. L for lemon. M. Say with me. M. M for monkey. N. Say with me. N. N for nut. O. Say with me. O. O for owl. P. Say with me. P. P for penguin. Q. Say with me. Q. Q for quilt. R. Say with me. R. R for rose. S. Say with me. S. S for sheep. T. Say with me, T. T for tiger. U. Say with me, U. U for university. V. Say with me, V. V for virus. W. Say with me, W. W for whale. A. Say with me, X. X for X-ray. Y. Say with me, Y. Y for earth. Z. Say with me, Z. Z for zebra. Subscribe for more videos.